Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It is officially 2018. Today is January 2nd, so this is a little bit late, but I wanted to sit down and go through my makeup collection and find the items that I was using all the time in 2017 and just share them with you because they deserve a little bit of recognition. So if you want to see the products I was loving for 2017, then just keep. So first I want to say that 2017 overall was a pretty good year. I think it ended a lot better than it started out. I did cut my hair for the first time in 7 years, so that was a big change. I got bangs, that's it. I didn't get layers, anything off the ends. I just got bangs. So I still have super long hair. You guys can never even tell because I don't show my full body on camera, but I have very long hair. So getting bangs was a huge transition for me, but I did it and I love it. And yeah, so let's jump right in. So the first product I found myself loving was the Tarte Maracuja oil. This is a skincare product. It is a face oil. I've put it on my lips before. It works for that, but it's not, the best thing for your lips, but whatever. It works really nice on your face. I have a super dry face. My whole entire body is really dry. So this works super nice on my face. I like to put this on over a moisturizer before I go to bed or right before I do my makeup, and it doesn't seem to affect the longevity or the effect of my makeup when I put it on before then. So I just really couldn't stop using this oil. I picked up 2 of these in the year of 2017, and this is my second one. I just started using it, and well, this bottle, I've used this the whole year, but yeah, so I definitely recommend this if you have dry skin. The second product I was loving for the face is the Too Faced Hangover RX Coconut Water Primer. This is super nice again for people with dry skin. It did a really nice job of just evening out my skin, and not like the color, but just the overall texture and everything. It did a really nice job hydrating the skin, and I thought it made my makeup look really nice, and it lasted all day long. The third thing for the face that I was loving, of course, is the Tarte Shape Tape. I actually use 2 different shades. I use this shade, which is Fair Neutral, which is a super light shade, and then I use a little bit darker shade, which is more my skin tone. And these concealers are amazing. Everyone's talking about them, so I don't need to say too much about them other than they are full coverage. You get a lot of product, and it is totally worth it. I do want to say, however, if you have dry skin like myself, you might get a little scared of this because it kind of is drying, but my trick is I always take and I put this on under my eyes, and I do 1 spot at a time because otherwise it's going to dry up. So I do like right here, and then what I like to do is I spray my makeup sponge with a little bit of setting spray or MAC Fix Plus, and then I go in and blend it out, and that seems to help prevent it getting too dry. My next product, I will stick with the face category, is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the only bronzer that I've ever hit pan on, and as you can see, I need a new one fairly soon. It smells amazing. I've put so many of my friends on this product this year. It's amazing. They just came out with a couple more colors. This one is just in the shade Bronzer. Let's see, who made me buy this? I think Kathleen Lights made me buy this, and I'm so glad I got it. I also saw, Tina Halata using it, and Shelby Triglia. She's one of my favorites, but I don't know how to say her last name. Sorry, girl. But yeah, this bronzer is awesome. I put a lot of my friends on it. I totally recommend. It's good for the winter or the summer. Check it out if you have not already. The next product I want to mention is from Fenty Beauty, which launched this year. It is Rihanna's makeup collection. I've used this before on my channel, but I just have to talk about it again. It is the Killawatt Highlighter Duo in Mean Money and Hustla Baby. It is gorgeous. I love it. I love everything about it. I cannot talk about it enough. My favorite is this part, which is Hustla Baby, which is like a gold Champagne Gold, I honestly was a little bit nervous it might be too dark for my skin tone, but it actually works out really nice, as you can see. And the other one is more of like a natural highlight, but it is still super pretty, which is this one here. And yeah, I can't use this enough. I have a pretty good dent in this side, which makes me really nervous. For sure, when I run out, I will be buying another one. I've been wanting to try Trophy Wife, but I think it's going to be a little too dark on my skin tone, but I definitely recommend this Fenty Beauty highlighter, and her other shades are really gorgeous as well, so check them out. Another highlighter I've been loving is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. I've wanted to try these forever, and I finally did, and I'm so glad I did. It is a loose powder highlight, and as you can see, I've used this before, I want to say in a tutorial, and it is super nice. You just have to be careful not to put too much on because it is a loose powder. I like this a lot in the summer because it works good as like a body highlight. If you're going to the beach, you put it on your shoulders or something. I use this a lot in 2017, and I still have a bunch in there, as you can see. So I definitely recommend you check this out if you like a blinding highlight. The next thing I want to talk about is, let's go with eyes. So the eyeshadow palette that I used all of 2017 and will continue to keep using on is the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Everyone and their mom loves this palette. It is a more of a warm tone palette. As you can see, my favorite shades are Burnt Orange and Raw Sienna, these two right here. They work really nice in the transition as like a crease shade, but they also work super good for just like all over the lid for a super natural look. This gold shade here, Primavera, is one of my favorite gold shades of all times. Anastasia has some, oh shoot, you can see me right there, hey girl. But one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas. This palette is my favorite, even though I don't use a lot of the shades. I do use some of these more red shades, but yeah, I definitely recommend this palette if you haven't tried it out. What are you waiting for? The next eye product I loved in 2017, and so did many other people, is the Stila, I can't remember what they're called. They're like liquid glitter something, whatever they're called. I love them. This one is in the shade Smoldering Satin. It is like a glitter, but it is in the liquid form, so you don't have to deal with glitter glue and all the mess. It works super nice. I love these. I want to check out more colors. I just haven't got to it. So yeah, if you have, oh, you know what? The names are here. The Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. It's a long name, but you know what? It is worth it. I love these. They are a little bit expensive, but you know what? I haven't ran out of it, and I've used it quite a few times. So yeah, I definitely recommend these. Let's see. The last eye product is a mascara, and it is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. It is a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I actually quit using my Better Than Sex and switched over to this guy because it is a lot more affordable, and I thought it worked just the exact same. I also started wearing false lashes this year, and so I haven't been needing a crazy mascara anymore. These are actually my favorite lashes of the year. They are the Ardell Natural and 120. And they are my favorite. They are a drugstore lash, totally worth it. If you have been wanting to try some lashes, definitely check those ones out. Let's see, I only have 2 more products left. They are both lip products. I'll start with the lip liner. This is from Kat Von D. I believe she came out with these this year. I'm not positive, but I think she came out with the lip liners this year. This one is in the shade Lolita. It is gorgeous. It's just like a mauve shade. I love mauve shades. As you can see, it's right there. I'm actually wearing, no, I'm not wearing this today. I wear this like every day, so I'm surprised I'm not wearing it today, but whatever. I wear this all the time, and it is a retractable lip liner, so you don't have to worry about sharpening it. I actually have already bought a backup of this because I love it so much. It goes on really nice and has a really good staying power. And the last product I was loving in 2017 is also a lip product. It is a lip gloss, and it is also from the Rihanna Fenty Beauty collection. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. When she came out with this, she said that it is a universal color for every skin tone, and she is so right. I think it looks gorgeous on everyone, and I've been loving this lip gloss. I use it all the time. The packaging is gorgeous. The formula works really nice. It doesn't stay on all day because obviously it's a lip gloss, but I did find it staying a lot longer than a lot of my other glosses. It smells really nice. I love this lip gloss. I think Fenty Beauty killed it this year, and I love this collection. So those are the products I was using the most and loving in 2017. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be more videos coming very soon. In 2018, I'm hoping to stick to my filming schedule and get videos up on Wednesdays. So let me know down below in the comments what kind of videos you would like to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!